Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm about to take the Roadster for a ride. I'm kinda off from work right now because of the rain. It's a rainy day, it's one of them type of days, so I'm about to go for a nice little drive. So I'm gonna take you all along with me, kind of get a feel of how this car runs. It's actually pretty smooth. Alright, we're gonna go for a drive. So we'll see how it goes. It's kind of a wet day, but alright. Throw my seatbelt here. This car is actually really smooth. It's a pretty old car because it's a 2000. You know, it's not a new car, but it does run really sweet. And it is quite fast. I mean, it's not M series fast, but it's fast. Because if you think about it, this small car has a 6-cylinder engine, naturally aspirated straight 6 engine in it, so it's pretty fast. It's a wet road, so I can't really do too much on this wet road, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's a nice drive. It drives really, really well. Again, it's a different feel from, say, the newer cars, you know, but you know, it's a nice drive. You're like more connected to the car, and you feel more of the road, and you know what I'm saying. It's a different drive than the newer cars. Say the 328i. My car is 2012, and this car is a 2000. So it's a big difference in how it drives. But this car is still actually quite smooth. Yeah. See what I did to the back here. So I redid, you know, the whole back area. I redid the whole interior actually. So yeah, it's a nice clean look. Typical South Florida evening, rainy and muggy. This time of year it's always rainy, you know, so it's one of these typical South Florida evening. Yes, look to the back there. Healthy. Yeah, this car is where it's at. Yeah, for such a old car, it's actually, like I said, quite smooth, quite nice, and quite fast. Again, for such a small car with such a big motor, it runs. Still have a few small things to do to it, but for the most part I am really happy with it. Look at this person, like really? Seriously? Almost redline the car in you know, second, third, sweet. It's a 5-speed too, so yeah, the other car is a 6-speed, this one's 5-speed. video too super long. So yeah, I'm just kind of trying to show you guys a little bit more about this car and how it runs and stuff like that. So I'll be making more videos. I have a bunch of car shows and stuff coming up, so I'll be keeping you guys in the loop as I go to these car shows with either one of the cars. I am actually thinking about going to buy an E36. I'm gonna go look at it later. If I do go to look at it, I'll make a video, and if I buy it, it'll be one more car to the channel. It's a convertible E36. I'm hoping to go see it later. I'll keep you guys in the loop. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.